So, in the name of Almighty Allah, today we will discuss lecture number 38, and I have collected all these vocabulary, facts, and figures from Dawn newspaper. So, the first one is paradigm. So, its meaning is example, pattern. Next one is soap opera. So, ongoing drama serial on television. So almost Pakistani dramas are, in simple words, soap opera. Next one is bonhomie. So feeling of friendliness among a group of people. Next one is extravaganza. So circus, spectacle, show, large and exciting show or event. So a large event or exciting show, so we call it extravaganza. Next one is ornate, so extremely decorated. Next one is hindutva, so it's a Hindu supremacist ideology, especially of the Brahman Hindus nowadays in India. So BJP government main objective and main aim is to make India a Hindutva state, because majority of the populace in India are Hindus, and they wants to make India as a Hindu state. Next one is extolled. So to praise highly, celebrate, glorify, magnify. Next one is well. So its meaning is to mask, cover, curtain, wraps. Next one is unabashed. So shameless, unshamed, unashamed, unblushing. Next one is capricious. So just like a chameleon, changeable, fluctuating, variable, not constant. Next one is overhaul. So renovate, examine. Next one is audacious. So the meaning of audacious is daring, fearless, intrepid, valiant, dashing, reckless. Next one is ferocity. So its meaning is barbarity, brutality, violence, blood, thirstiness. Next one is assaults. So make a physical attack on, hit or strike someone. Next one is metal. So its meaning is steadfastness, courage, bravery, determination. Next one is spirit, or the last one is fortitude. Next one is carnage. So Holocaust, massacre. So nowadays, the Zionist forces are doing the carnage of innocent civilian of Gaza. Next one is besieged. So besieged meaning is to surround with armed forces. Next one is swatis. So enfold, embosom, embrace, envelop. Next one is surge. So sudden strong swelling like a tsunami wave that engulfs the land. Next one is relentless, so non-stop, uninterrupted, unbroken, perpetual, and the last one is unending. Next one is a hinterland, so a remote and undeveloped area, just like in Pakistan, Balochistan, we can say it's a hinterland because majority of the area is underdeveloped and unpopulated. Next one is impetus. So stimulant, instigation, spur. Next one is festering. So persistently producing bad or unhealthy effects. Next one is mired. So entrap, entangle. Next one is skeptical. So its meaning is disbelieving, unbelieving, distrustful. Next one is nexus, so connection, link. Next one is omnious, so ill-boding, menacing, sinister, and the last one is threatening. Now predicament, so its meaning is quandary, dilemma, quagmire, and the last one is mire. Next one is refuted. So the meaning of refuted is to deny the truth or accuracy of someone or something. And and the next one is strife. So its simplest meaning is to fight, to struggle, conflict, dissonance, and dissent. And the last one is unleash. So its meaning is to throw, to spit, to throw away. So it's all for today. And if you people have any questions, so ask freely. Thank you. And may the God watch over you.